I just got the ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14 from Best Buy. Originally it was $1,149. It was on sale for $949.99. All right, here's the box with the laptop and some packaging. Okay, let's take the box out of the box. Here we have the front of the box. Nice black and gray design. It says ROG Zephyrus here and has the logo here. Some nice light looking coloration in the middle. There's the top of the box, got a handle. It says ROG Zephyrus. Has the logo on the other side. The bottom of the box is black with some box information. This box is recyclable. Here's the bottom of the box, has a number to call in case your battery explodes. All right, let's cut the tape and open it up. Tape's off, lift the lid up. The back of the box has some ROG Art, Republic of Games. I see of gamers, join the... There's the 14-inch laptop itself. It's very reflective. ROG logo there. It says Republic of Gamers, established 2006. All right, let's take the plastic off. Let's take that out of the box. Peel the plastic off of there.
If you have the Animatrix model, this would be a spread of LEDs on top of the laptop.
On the side of the laptop, we have our ports here. USB-C 3.2, USB-A 3.2, and another USB-A 3.2. We have our lock on the end here. It says Zephyrus and has some fans on the back. On the other side here, we have our DC power in, our HDMI out for our monitor or television, a USB-C 3.2, and an audio jack. There's the front there, gray matted finish. This is the Eclipse gray version of the laptop. All right, let's move that to the side. All right, on this right box, we have the power supply wrapped in plastic. Let's take the plastic off of that. So there's our power supply with the ROG logo and your plug to attach the cord. There's the plug that goes in your computer. And the wire is also wrapped with a Velcro wrap, which is helpful for organizing cables. Show you the other end of the power supply. All right, let's open up this other box here. Inside this box, we have our safety and precautions notebook, our G-Series gaming notebook. It says to charge our notebook PC for 3 hours when using it for the first time, and to use only the bundled power adapter for charging. Then it tells us to lift to open the display, and then press the power button to turn the laptop on. And we got the warranty, a ROG support paper, an ASUS support guide. Nothing else inside there. Let's open up the other box. And of course we have our power cord. So let's unwrap the Velcro. Plug the power cord into the power supply. Take the plastic off the prongs. All right, let's open it up. Very nice looking setup here. It says ROG Zephyrus below the screen. Got some fan vents up top. Power buttons here. This laptop came with a Ryzen 7 5800HS processor, an NVIDIA GeForce 1650 graphics card, has a 512GB SSD. Laptop feels really solid. It weighs 3.64 pounds. It's also wireless 6. 802.11ax compatible. Let's start it up. First up, let's plug in the laptop. Plug our power cord into the wall. Open laptop up. All right, our power light's on. Let's hit the power button and turn it on. Republic of Gamers. It's loading up with the ROG logo. Now it looks like regular Windows is loading up. All right, I'm going to speed through the regular Windows setup. All right, turn the PC on for the first time. Wants me to get started with Microsoft Edge. There's the new version of Edge. There's the desktop background. It has Microsoft Edge folders, Microsoft Store, email, the My ASUS app, the Xbox app, and Microsoft Office at the bottom. Okay, we got our NVIDIA controls, the Xbox app, Realtek audio, Dolby Access, Armory Crate, and some other standard Windows applications. Okay, let's try some of the apps out. Open up the ASUS app. Okay, pick your language, English US. Okay, it provides updates, diagnose problems. Got our NVIDIA settings over here. Try the Armory Crate. All right, here we have the performance of our PC.
So here I have the Armory Crate open. It has different preset settings. So turbo, you can see a boost on the GPU. CPU's running at 3.5, 3.6. Then I put it at performance. very similar. I'll put it on silent. The CPU frequency went down. Our fans are at 0. And go to Windows mode. You see our fans at 2600 RPMs for our CPU and 2700 for the GPU. And go to manual. We can adjust our fan for our CPU and our GPU to different speeds based on the temperature. Looks like we can make a profile. You can disable the Win key, the touchpad, disable boot up sound, panel power saver, iGPU mode. You can reorganize these tiles. We can adjust our clock on our GPU. So this is the home menu. Go to our devices. We can adjust the GPU power saving settings, our lighting, our audio, monitor our resources. We can adjust our keyboard light from static to breathing in and out to strobing. Adjust our gaming settings. This model does not have the animatrix on the back. Otherwise you would see it here in your devices. We have our gaming library, a section for game deals, and ROG news. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.